adjusts the steering wheel and puts you back in the center of the lane when you're a distracted driver. The pedals. I'm going to turn on the cruise control. I'm going to set it at 40 miles an hour, and it's saying that it's active. The feet aren't touching the pedals. I'm going to shorten this distance to 1 car length. The car left, so I just flicked resume up. My heads-up display is on, and it's letting me know that it's green, so we're good. And basically all I have to do is steer at this point because it's reading the cars in front of me. So you have to pay just as much attention when you're driving without your feet as you do when you're driving with your feet. Because when the car in front of you goes, you're going to have to hit resume because we have this e-brake here that's electric. It's automatically going to hold the car for me. Now, when these cars go, then I'm going to flick the resume button up. It's going to beep because the Subaru Forester is getting out of my way, and then it re-beeped because it locked onto this truck in front of me. Now, let's pretend that I was the first one at the light. The Eyesight isn't going to read that there's no cars there, so then I would have to apply the brake myself because it's not autonomous driving. It's not going to know when there's lights red or green, and it's not going to know when to stop. So if there's no car in front of you and you're in first position, you have to use your feet to hit the brakes.